So in this lesson we're going to create a marquee loop on a form. So let's go ahead and create a new blank form. I'm going to call this form marquee, and we need to add a text box onto the form. So it's easy in code. Let's give it a quick name. And can put a little label in there. So when the form opens, we want to put a message into the text box. So let's go to the onOpen event. And we're going to set a message equal to whatever we want in the marquee. Now if we want to be able to access this message, we'll have to make it a public variable. So let's call it message and set it to string. Next, we want the marquee loop to do something every second or so that the form's open. So if we click back on the form and on the timer event, let's set it to do the looping. So first we want to get the text box and make it equal to whatever message we've just used above. And then what we want to do is take the first letter from the text and move it to the end so that it's spinning round. So let's get the first letter using the left function. So let's dim a variable called first character, and let's set that as a string, and then we can set first character equal to the left of text marquee and 1, so it's the first. Then we want to remove the first character from the text box, so the message is now going to equal message started at number 2 and then ended at the length of the message -1. Then let's put the first character at the end of the message. So message equals message plus first character. Save that and we'll see how it looks on the form. We need to set a time interval so it happens every amount of time that you set in there, and let's view how it's looking. And as we see, it's moving. If you want to slow that down, go back, change it. View it. And there we go. So speed it up, slow it down, and you've got a simple marquee loop on a form.